Hello, little explorers. Have you ever seen a bird that can wave like a master tailor? Meet the waver bird, nature's tiny architect. With its sharp beak, the waver bird stitches long green grass, twist by twist, knot by knot, to build a beautiful hanging home. Guess what? It doesn't use glue, tools, or hands, just its beak, feet, and super smart brain. The nest hangs high on tree branches so snakes and enemies can't reach the babies. And here's a fun fact: the bird may fly hundreds of times just to finish one nest. So remember, friends, even the smallest builder can create something amazing. Nature is full of surprises. Just look up and